Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's Let's Talk is going to be on why I don't condition my hair. And I know most of you are going to be like, oh my gosh, what did she just say? But if you watch any of my videos, I think you would have noticed that I actually don't condition my hair. What I mean by that is I don't use a rinse out conditioner. And I'm going to share with you why I don't use a rinse out conditioner. I do deep condition, as you guys know, a step I never miss in my wash day routine. But why don't I use a rinse out conditioner? So here are some of the reasons why I don't use a rinse out conditioner. The first one is purely a financial decision. I feel like buying a rinse out conditioner and buying a deep conditioner, I think I can not buy one and save a little bit of money and just deep condition and not condition. So I feel like it kind of saves me a bit of money by just buying the deep conditioner and not buying the conditioner. The second reason is purely a filming reason. Doing my hair on camera, it does take a lot of work and it does take a lot of effort. And for me, it's a step that I can miss. I literally can miss that application process, going off camera, rinsing it, coming back and showing you the results. And an extra filming step that I personally don't want to do. However, if I wasn't filming, I don't know if I would still do that step. If financially it was fine for me to buy the product and a deep conditioner and then do it, without filming, maybe I would. But those are the two real reasons why I don't condition my hair. And I can save some money and I can save some time filming as well as editing. I do know that a lot of ladies do buy a conditioner, rinse it out in deep condition afterwards, and that's okay. If you're doing that, it's absolutely okay. But on my personal hair journey, I have found that my hair has done okay without having to condition it and only deep condition it. It's worked out perfectly on my personal hair journey. But if you're somebody who likes conditioning, continue to do it. If you're somebody who was confused, should I condition and deep condition? I hope this video does give you some clarity that you can condition and deep condition, or you can just deep condition. See what your hair likes. If your hair likes both, do both. However, the deep conditioning process is something that I do not advocate for you to skip at all. I do not advocate for you to just buy a rinse out conditioner and then go straight into styling and not deep condition. So for me, the reasons that I don't use a rinse out conditioner, I told you guys in the video. Let me know if you condition and deep condition, or if you don't condition and you only deep condition. Let me know in the comments. As I said, on my personal hair journey, it has worked out. I know part of the Curly Girl method, it advocates for you to condition. Something I didn't like about the book, the Curly Girl Handbook, was that it didn't mention deep conditioning at all. However, during the process of, doing research in the Curly Girl method, I found that ladies will condition and deep condition as well. As I said, it's not a problem at all. If you're following the Curly Girl method and you're co-washing and then you're co-washing and then you're conditioning, that's fine. And if you deep condition after that as well, that is also fine. I hope it brought some clarity around the condition and the deep conditioning. And also, while watching my videos, why does Raquel not use a rinse out conditioner? I told you guys, and my hair has done quite well with just deep conditioning. Drop your comments down below and let me know if you condition and deep condition. As always, guys, I will see you again. Take care.